Need to make a large video file smaller. HandBrake makes it easy to compress videos while balancing file size and quality. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress videos with HandBrake in 2026, including how to choose a preset, adjust quality, and save the compressed file. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to compress and wait for HandBrake to scan the file. Before starting, take a quick look at the original file size so you can compare it with the compressed version later. Next, choose a preset from the Presets menu. A general-purpose preset can provide a good starting point without requiring you to configure every setting manually. Yeah, if you're new to video compression, using a preset is usually the easiest way to get started. Now open the Video tab and find the quality control. HandBrake commonly uses a constant quality setting, where changing the quality level affects the balance between file size and visual quality. I mean, don't reduce the quality too aggressively. A smaller file isn't useful if the video becomes noticeably blurry or loses important detail. Next, review the video encoder. A modern, efficient encoder can help reduce file size while maintaining good quality, although encoding speed and compatibility can vary. Take a moment to choose an encoder that's appropriate for your computer and the devices where you'll play the finished video. Now choose where you want to save the compressed video. Give the file a clear name and make sure you have enough free storage space for the output. Keeping the original file until you've checked the compressed version is a good idea. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish processing the video. When it's done, compare the new file size and play the video to check its quality. So if the file is still too large, you can adjust the quality settings and encode it again. And that's how to compress videos with HandBrake. The key is finding the right balance between file size, image quality, encoding speed, and compatibility. I mean, once you find settings that work for your videos, you can reuse the same workflow whenever you need to shrink large files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.